It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. I'm kind of liking the Friday night videos here. We can hang out and what? It's like 9 o'clock. It's only 6 o'clock on the West Coast. It's early. Oh my gosh! So I gotta talk about the Bath and Body Works soap and candle sale that's going on. I think that's going on the whole weekend. So you can do a layered sale this weekend at Bath and Body Works, which is cool. Candles are $13.95. Is this a good deal? It's not a bad deal. I know a lot of people are waiting for a lower candle price, but it's not bad, the $13.95, especially if you have the 20% off coupon, which is going to bring you down to, let me grab my calculator, $13.95 minus 20%. $11.16. Not a bad deal at all. I'm super excited about this set, the peppermint sugar cookie. This one smells amazing. I gotta review this one. The raspberry thumbprint, Mary cookie, cinnamon sugared pecan. All of these are amazing. So candle sale this weekend, and then I really want to talk about the Christmas soap. $3.50 on the soap, not a bad deal. You guys want to stock up on soap when it's like a set lower price. Otherwise, you pay like $4 or something, even $5. So $3.50 minus 20%, it's going to take you down to $2.80, which is a really good deal if you have that 20% off coupon. So I am loving the Christmas soap this year. I took a really pretty picture. I'm actually going to put a screenshot up right here. Isn't that pretty? The soap. This set is actually gorgeous. So I'm going to go through some of my favorites. Strawberry snowflakes, total yes. Oh my gosh, this won't open. I love the strawberry snowflakes. It smells like that strawberry candy meringue. That makes a good soap. Vanilla icicles, which is whipped vanilla, amber woods, and iced jasmine. I'm kind of putting my Christmas soap out already. I know. Oh, that smells so good. I need some hair oil or something. My gosh, I've got beach hair. I actually went down to the beach today because it was like almost like 75, 80 degrees. It was really warm, but it was windy down there, and there were a ton of birds. It was actually kind of interesting down there. Coconut angel cake. Oh my gosh. Fluffy coconut angel food cake and vanilla sugar. I'd love to see this in a body care. But the wind always makes my hair stand straight up when I'm at the beach. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. It's sweet. It's got a little cake note to it. And I love the packaging. Then we have mahogany balsam. This is a really strong one. It's a little too strong for me. I'm not a fan of mahogany balsam. I'll probably gift that one off. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Don't forget to look at your fall soap. I know a lot of people still enjoy the fall soap, like pumpkin apple. That's a good one. Forever Autumn pumpkin cupcake. This is another really good, oh my gosh, fall soap. You're going to want to definitely check that one out. Coconut mint drop. This is an odd packaging for me for coconut mint drop. White coconut, iced peppermint, winter musk. I'm used to the green. I don't know why it's like this color. That's kind of strange. Twisted peppermint. Oh my gosh. Absolutely wonderful. I love this one. It smells like full-on peppermint. I go through a ton of twisted peppermint soap each year. We have, oh, this is Harvest Gathering. This is one of the fall ones. I'm like, where did I get this one? Oh, that smells good. This is a good Thanksgiving soap. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got my squirrel soap holder, by the way, in my bathroom. Silver Snowfall. This one is Cotton Snowfall, Bergamot Zest, and Warm Sandalwood. Not bad. I don't love it. I don't hate it. Winterberry Ice. We're supposed to be getting this in the body care. I can't wait. Iced cherries, juicy orange, and snowy lime. I think it might be a little different in the pocket bag. I cannot wait. I'm kind of wondering now, does anyone kind of like wonder in the back of your head if Winterberry Ice is going to be like a repackage of oh my gosh, it just left. Whew, the 4th of July. What? I don't know why. It just left my, you guys, what that firecracker pop? That's it. Like, where did it Because it's iced cherries, juicy orange, and snowy lime. I don't know. Maybe it's a take on the Firecracker Pop. Wouldn't that be weird? Oh my gosh. We have Gingerbread Bakery. I wish Jolly Gingerbread Village was Gingerbread Bakery. Oh my gosh, this one smells good. I like this one. It's got a bakery note. It's gingerbread cookies, brown sugar, icing, and cinnamon spice. Iced cinnamon rolls. That's another good one. I like iced cinnamon rolls. I want this in a body care, by the way. That would make a great body care. Cookie butter truffle. Another body care contender. I love this one. This one's really good, you guys. You got to get this one in the soap. It's cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. I love this one. And then we have the sugar plum rose, which is a little different. This one is blackberry sweet sugar plum and iced rose. This one's a total winner if you like a rosy floral. It's a little too floral for me, but it's not bad. And then I got a vanilla bean Noel. You got to get did I just say winter bean? Winter candy apple, vanilla bean Noel, and twisted peppermint in the soap. They are wonderful. So lots of soap out there. I'm sure there's some that I don't own yet. Let's see here. Soap sale. Bright Christmas Morning I don't have. Frosted Coconut Snowball. There's a lot. Oh, Goldenberry Mistletoe. I don't know if I'm gonna like that one in the sun. I don't love it. I'm kind of hoping they have those big cartons in the soap this year. That would actually be really cool. I'm hearing we're supposed to be getting laundry detergent in the Christmas scents. We'll see. I don't know. So anyway, let me know if you're shopping the soap sale. It's a pretty good deal right now, especially if you can layer or if you got the 20% off coupon. It's definitely worth it if you're really wanting to get your hands on some of the Christmas soap. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.